discover each hue and tale. First we see a red flower shining bright in the sun. Pudgy Panda says, "Is that red?" and the quest has begun. Sassy Sparrow chirps, "That's red!" A happy chirpy cheer. Clap your hands and stamp your feet, our color quest is here. Far find the blue, find the yellow, every color on our way. Sing it loud, shout it proud, let the forest colors play. Red, blue, yellow, green, colors shining on the screen. Orange, purple, pink, it's true, all the colors come to. Next, we spy a blue mushroom peeking out by a tree. Panda asks, "Could this be blue?" Sparrow nods with glee. Then a yellow rock appears, glowing in the light. Trip and tumble, laugh and cheer, everything's so bright. Find the green, find the orange, see them dancing in the breeze. Sing along, join the song, colors make us all at ease. Red, blue, yellow, green, colors shining on the screen. Orange, purple, pink, it's true, all the colors come to you. Purple berries, pink flowers, black stones on the ground. White clouds floating overhead, brown twigs all around. Every shade and every hue, join us on this ride. Panda and Sparrow by our side. Final, red, blue, yellow, green, colors shining on the screen. Orange, purple, pink, it's true, all the colors come to you. Colors, colors everywhere, join us next time if you dare.